In version 23, we'll be releasing a new product called ShopClock. ShopClock is an application for tracking time and labor for the whole company that can be exported to a payroll software through a CSV format. In ShopClock, users are able to create and assign shifts to employees, as well as let employees see upcoming shifts and previous clock-in history. ShopClock also includes a kiosk mode, allowing users to turn any web browsing device into a clock-in station. As you can see here on the home page, users will have access to view their information, clock in and clock out, as well as see any shifts on a calendar for this week and any week after. Users will also be able to see any upcoming or previous holidays, just in case those days are time off. From here, a manager or admin is able to adjust or assign users to new shifts or rotations. Clicking on the Users tab will bring us to our Add and Edit User page, which will allow us to edit users and assign them a new shift or rotation. On the Punches tab, users will be able to export their information simply by clicking the Export button, which will pop up a date range selection and a user selection that users will use to select users and a date time range to export that information to a CSV. Furthermore, the Shift and Rotation tab will allow users to come in here and set up shifts and rotations that can be assigned to users later on, simply by entering a name, date, or days of the week, as well as the times of the day. On the Rotations tab, users will come in here and select a new name for the rotation, the interval, the shifts that will be rotating, and when the rotation will start. Lastly, we'll have a kiosk mode option that will allow users to launch on any web browsing system, a kiosk mode which will allow users to quickly log in, clock in or out, and return them back to the login page. Lastly, ShopClock does not require any other software to function, which includes a Sigma Quote or Sigma MRP.